The smartest professionals in the AI era aren't trying to climb faster. They're trying to depend less. A strategy that makes their job a choice, not a requirement. In the AI economy, those are no longer the same thing. It's not quitting your job, it's restructuring your income model. Your primary job, stable cash flow, professional identity. This layer funds everything else. Income generated by using AI to multiply output. This can be internal consulting, workflow automation, digital systems. This is where flexibility begins. Assets, systems, reusable intellectual property, income not tied directly to your time. Most people build only layer one, and when layer one weakens, everything shakes. Career optionality happens when all three layers stack. You negotiate differently, you think differently, you move differently. Your job becomes a choice. This isn't about escaping corporate life. It's about removing financial fear from it. Optionality isn't built overnight. It's layered. In the next video, I'll show you how to build the leverage layer without burning out. I hope you've been enjoying our AI Corporate Survival series. Please click on the icon to subscribe to the channel, and you'll also be notified when the new videos come out. Thanks for watching.